Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1973 Chevy Camaro Z28. Just an absolutely beautiful driver here. Before we get into this car, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on the corner of Televast and 301, just north of University Drive. Here in Classic Cars of Sarasota, we keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those cars are domestic classic cars, and then the other 20% are exotic European and or luxury vehicles. You'll find all our vehicles on our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. If you have further questions or I go too fast with the video camera here, please visit the website, as I just mentioned, classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do have 50 to 100 pictures of all our vehicles online at our website, so you can see various angles. We do have it outside as well, so you see it in different light as we start to go through here. If you're not in Sarasota, Florida, please don't hesitate to still view the website or give us a call, as we do ship all over the world. In 2025, we shipped to 19 different U.S. states and about 8 or 9 countries around the world. So we can certainly get you this 73 Z28 wherever you may be in the world. If you have financing needs, please don't hesitate to visit the website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do have a finance tab. We do have classic car lenders that will finance classic cars, and we have a couple late model lenders we utilize as well. So full service dealership. We also do full in-house restorations, mostly C2 Corvettes, but have the ability to do just about any vehicle. So give us a call, 941-355-1955, if you have a question on this vehicle or restorations, shipping, and or finance. Please give us a call. But back to this beautiful 1973 Chevy Z28. As you can see, it does have a 350. It is a manual 4-speed. It does have aftermarket AC. It does have a newer Holley carburetor and aftermarket air cleaner on it. Power brakes, power steering. If you go inside, you will see it is a 4-speed manual, bucket seats, black interior. Again, a very nice vehicle here. This is a Z28 LT, which is the luxury touring trim package that will come on 73 if ordered as such. Again, has the very reliable Chevy 350. Again, just a very nice car here. As I mentioned, maroon with the silver stripes. I'll go ahead and fire this up for you so you can hear it, just so you can see that it is in fact a cold start. Grabbing the headers here. Again, sorry for the darkness, but we do have pictures of the pictures of the car outside in better light. Let's go ahead and make sure we're neutral. It does have a aftermarket radio, AM, FM, CD player that is in it. Make sure we got the right key. here it starts right up. Make sure we're neutral. Again, a very nice vehicle here. Odometer says 52,340. It is exempt. As I mentioned, it does have aftermarket vintage air. Engine sounds nice. No knocking or ticking that you can hear. As I mentioned, it just fired straight up, as you heard. Let's go back and let you hear the exhaust. Look at that. Early 70s little rumble. Sounds very nice. Rev it up just a little bit. Again, we're not warm, so I don't want to go crazy. Again, engine sounds great. Again, vehicle is cold, so we're not going to rev it up too much. If you have any questions, or you'd like more information, or you're looking to just purchase the vehicle, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. Again, just a beautiful 1973 V28 LT trim package, 4-speed manual. Again, just a beautiful little vehicle here. Nice little driver. Again, if you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Appreciate you joining in today. Please like and subscribe for future updates and vehicles. And thank you very much.